In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce using the data export tool. We'll walk through the process in a simple, practical way so you can create an offline copy of your Salesforce data whenever you need it. This is especially useful for backups, reporting, archiving, or just reviewing records outside the platform. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. Make sure you're logged into the correct Salesforce environment before you continue, because exports will only pull data from the org you're currently in. Once you're inside setup, look over to the Quick Find navigation area on the left-hand side. In the Quick Find search box, type Data Export. As you type, Salesforce should filter the available setup options and display the data export page. Click into that result to open the export tool. This is the area where Salesforce lets you prepare a downloadable package of selected data tables. Once you're on the data export page, you'll choose between Export Now and Schedule Export. If you need the files right away, use Export Now. If this is something you want Salesforce to handle automatically on a recurring basis, choose Schedule Export instead. The right option depends on how urgent the export is and whether you're creating a one-time download or planning ahead for regular backups. After that, you'll be taken to the section where you can select the specific data object tables you want to copy into offline formats. Take your time here and choose carefully. You may want only a few objects for a targeted export, or you may want a broader selection depending on your goal. The important thing is to make sure the objects you select match the data you actually need so you don't end up downloading unnecessary files or missing something important. When your selections are complete, click Start Export. Salesforce will begin preparing the export in the background. Depending on the amount of data included, this can take some time, so don't worry if the download doesn't appear instantly. Instead, wait for the system-generated link to the file download bundle package. Once that link is ready, you can download the export files and store them securely for your offline use. And that's it. By following this process, you can quickly create a Salesforce data export in a controlled and organized way.